Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making cured salmon, easy and quick recipe. Freeze the fish for a couple of days to kill parasites. Do not remove skin. Mix salt and sugar. Wrap the fish with the mixture thoroughly on both sides. Place the fish into the casserole and keep it in the fridge overnight, minimum 12 hours. As of the next morning, it's ready. Taste the delicate salmon, it's very yummy. Keep it in the fridge for no more than 3 days, so don't use a large piece of salmon unless you have a big family. You can cut the cured salmon into salads, burgers, crepes and many delicious appetizers. We are going to show you more recipes with salmon in the next episodes. Stay tuned! Before we bite the salmon, let me say big thank you to all our subscribers. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.